Dongfeng Motor Corporation, based in Wuhan, Hubei Province, stands as a prominent leader in China's automotive industry. Amidst the unprecedented transformation towards automation sweeping through the global automotive sector, Dongfeng Motor is at the forefront, guiding this momentous journey with its forward-thinking perspective and unwavering pace. In traditional automotive welding workshops, production heavily relied on labor-intensive methods, resulting in high error rates, elevated product damage risks, and significant hindrances in information transmission speed and inventory management efficiency. In 2024, Dongfeng Motor Corporation embraced innovation by introducing the ForwardX Max and Flex series of autonomous mobile robots, AMRs, bolstering support for its expansive operational space of over 2,300 square meters. Leveraging the outstanding capabilities and the reliability of ForwardX's AMRs, Dongfeng not only enhanced production efficiency, but also fine-tuned production cycles, leading to a notable increase in production capacity to meet growing demands. Equipped with ForwardX technology, the modern factory facilitates proactive material replenishment. When materials arrive at workstations, workers initiate replenishment requests via PDAs. This prompts a pair of two AMRs to navigate, one to the line-side workstation and the other to the buffer area. The AMR at the line-side workstation returns the empty pallet to the material warehouse, while the one at the buffer area swiftly transports the fully loaded material rack to the line-side workstation, ensuring prompt material replenishment for uninterrupted production. Continuous monitoring by the FX Fleet Manager system keeps track of the buffer area's status. Upon detecting that the buffer area is depleted, the automated system swiftly initiates material replenishment tasks, sending precise instructions to the material preparation zone. Diligent material handlers promptly fulfill these tasks, confirming completion via PDAs to ensure accuracy. Subsequently, the AMR aligns with the material rack and navigates with precision to the line-side buffer area, ensuring prompt and efficient material replenishment to facilitate uninterrupted production line operation. Furthermore, the diverse range of AMR models seamlessly coexist with factory personnel, providing robust safety assurance during collaborative tasks. Their adept execution of just-in-time (JET) processes significantly bolsters transport efficiency, enabling swift and accurate responses to dynamic customer demands. Even in semi-outdoor material preparation areas, the AMRs exhibit remarkable stability, adeptly navigating through varying ground, light, and temperature conditions. This comprehensive performance solidifies AMR's status as crucial assets in modern factory logistics transportation, enhancing operational efficiency and reliability. The integration of ForwardX technology solutions marks a pivotal milestone for Dongfeng Motor Corporation, enabling the realization of full-process automation and component distribution. This transformative initiative ensures the stable and seamless operation of production lines round the clock, bolstering Dongfeng's reputation as a leader in automotive innovation. More than a testament to technological advancement, this initiative demonstrates Dongfeng's unwavering commitment to sustainable development, advocating for circular economy principles and the establishment of eco-friendly manufacturing practices.